Hello YouTube, welcome to TandeGarage and welcome to another video. Today you may find yourself in an environment that you're not familiar in. I'm currently in a 2023 Tesla Model 3 Long-Range All-Wheel Drive. If you have been following the channel, you may know that I had a 2020 BMW M340i xDrive. I'm quite getting a hang of saying the year, make and model. But yeah, I said I had because, yes, I did it. I have joined the dark side. I traded in the BMW for this Tesla. And before I move on to my next discussion, I want to make sure I make it upfront to you guys that it has nothing to do with political views or opinion, and nothing to do with Elon Musk as a person, and that I see Tesla as a vehicle or an appliance, if you will, and nothing more than that, nothing less than that. And today I'm gonna go over why did I make the switch, why did I trade the BMW in. You may see it as an upgrade, it depends depending on who I ask, or a downgrade, but I see it as a side grade, and I'll go over what it means for me, what it means for my life right now, why did I make the switch, as well as what it means for the channel. And the truth be told is that the BMW was way more fun than this Tesla, because obviously mine was tuned on stage 1, but that also comes at a greater cost of ownership because it required premium fuel, especially because mine was tuned, so it required, well, mine was a 91 map, but I was running conservative, so I always put 93 in it. And so the fuel cost adding up, the repair bills, any potential repair bills, let's just say maintenance items like oil changes, also was quite a fortune because I drive quite a lot, even though it's highway drive, but at the same time I was doing 7,000 kilometers oil changes, and even though I was having a discount on engine oil prices, but still everything added up together, it's quite pricey, whereas this Tesla offer a way lower cost of ownership, except for insurance. So it's something that I got the car and then I realized afterwards, so something to be mindful, to double check your insurance rates and premium before you get the car. But yeah, so this Tesla, I think I've owned it for 3-ish months right now, and because of way fewer moving parts, with obvious reason, so I don't have to do any oil changes. When I got the car, I bought all-season tires because it didn't need a performance tire, and it doesn't require any fuel in it. It's just charging. I could charge at home. I only have a level 1 charger, which I'll make another video because likely if you're watching the channel, you may not be familiar with the EV platform. But approximately 10 to 15 Canadian dollars can run me approximately 300 kilometers. It's something that BMW, whatever the gas price it may be in where you stay, it will never be this cheap to be able to drive 300 kilometers on 15 Canadian dollars. It's just really cheap to drive this car. And because of my current life changes that's happening, I needed more financial stability so that I can spend on something else and save up. So I just realized that the Tesla might be a better move for me, at least at this point in life. And another big reason for me that makes sense for to pick up this Tesla is that I have more friends and family asking me, "Oh, so you work on cars? I'm always seeing you in your garage. So can you swap my winter wheels to summer or the other way around?" I'm like, okay. I have my light jack, but at the same time, because of if you have put something heavy in the G20, not the G21. G21 is an amazing platform. If you have put something heavy in your G20, you should know that because of how the trunk pops up, it's a it's an awkward angle for you to put something heavy in and out. And versus the Tesla, with how the trunk pops up, even though it's still a sedan, it's not considered a hatchback because the glass doesn't lift with the trunk. But just because of how the trunk pops up at a wider opening, it's easier for me to put the jack in and out. It's more versatile, it's more practical than the G20, just setting aside like the cost of ownership as well. And now for the channel update. Before I say anything, I wanna say that what you're seeing currently is recorded by the new to me DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you are on any social media platform, whether it's Instagram or TikTok, you may also know this as your roller shot catcher. So it's a vlog style camera. A lot of people use it. I've been eyeing it for the longest time, and I've only got my hands on it. With that being said, the channel is not going anywhere. I'm still gonna be here, and I'm still the same car guy that you know, that I'm gonna be attending more. Now that especially this video is out, I've been scared of like how to approach this, because everything that I've done it's for the BMW G20, and now it's something completely different. I wasn't sure how to approach this, so I just been procrastinating for the update video for the longest time. And like I said, still the same guy, same vibes. It's just gonna be on a different platform, as well as the fact that lately I have a lot of people ask me, where did I get my tools from, what brands are they worth to get, and stuff like that. So I think in the upcoming videos I want to post more about tools reviews to let you know I have a lot of experience of buying different type of tools. My garage currently is filled with tools, some that I love, some that I absolutely never use them again after the first time. So I think I have the experience to say what you should buy, what you should not buy whatsoever. And finally, before I end this video, I want to ask you all something. Do you think going from a BMW to a Tesla, whether it's an upgrade or it's a downgrade? So drop a comment down below and let me know what you think and why is that. Because when I told friends that I have traded in my BMW, I don't have it anymore, and I've gotten a Tesla, and all of them were like, "Oh, that's a huge downgrade." But to me, I think it's a side grade. It's not an upgrade. It's not a downgrade. It's just something that better fits my current chapter of life. It's whereas the BMW fits better for the previous chapter of my life. I've enjoyed the car. I have had the fun with the car. And now I need something more that's gonna give me financial stability. So that's why I chose the Tesla. But with that being said, I will catch you in the next one. Cheers.